The process begins with the pretreatment phase, where raw materials such as food waste or used cooking oil are cleaned and prepped for further processing. This involves shredding, dehydrating. Next, the core of the production line is the pressing machine, which extracts oil from the treated materials. Screw presses or hydraulic presses are commonly employed depending on the specific requirements and the scale of production. These machines apply significant pressure to separate the oil from solid residues. Following extraction, the crude oil undergoes refining in a dedicated unit. This step involves processes like degumming, neutralization, bleaching, and deodorization to purify the oil and enhance its quality. Refining ensures that the final product meets industry standards for clarity, taste, and shelf stability, making it suitable for various applications including cooking, biodiesel production. Supporting these main components are auxiliary systems such as heating, cooling, and conveying mechanisms that maintain optimal conditions throughout the process. Additionally, advanced control panels enable precise monitoring and adjustment of parameters. Overall,